Feeling lost with all the AI names? You're not alone. People talk like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Claude are totally different, but at the beginning, they're very similar. So let's start with the simplest option that costs the least.
These days, you'll hear about three main AI tools. ChatGPT, the biggest, Gemini, second biggest, and Claude comes in third. The right one for you depends on a couple of elements in the equation. Namely, what do you already have access to? Gemini is available to Gmail users for free under a limited basis. ChatGPT and Claude also have free plans subject to usage limits. So the right chat tool for you is going to depend on what you already have access to. I would counsel you against having a bunch of subscriptions right now, because if you're just getting started, all three are going to do basically the same thing. In fact, even though they have different names, they all answer questions in plain language. They all make mistakes sometimes. They all need you to be clear with your instructions. They all should never be trusted blindly, and they all work best as helpers and not decision makers. If you learned something today, leave a comment below and tell us what it was. And share this video with someone else who would like it. And if you haven't yet joined our free Facebook group, How Seniors Learn AI, go ahead and join. The link is in the description below. The group is for all of us, regardless of ability or skill level, and it's where we share all of our free information, like tips and tricks, tools, how-tos, and interviews. We can all learn together. Thanks for watching. See you soon.